Let's dive into the world of crypto trading, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Imagine making money with crypto without the stress, confusion, or endless hours glued to your screen. For most people, crypto trading feels exclusive, overly complex, and incredibly time-consuming. The charts, the jargon, the constant market swings, it can be overwhelming. But what if you could achieve the results of a top trader without years of experience or technical know-how? What if you could skip the steep learning curve and still win? Enter copy trading, a revolutionary approach that's changing the game for everyday people who want to grow their wealth. Instead of spending months learning strategies from scratch, you can simply mirror the moves of successful proven traders. Platforms like Bitunix make it easy to browse, compare, and choose from a list of expert traders with real track records. All it takes is a tap, pick a trader, click to copy, and your account automatically mirrors their trades in real time. It's like having a professional manage your portfolio around the clock, so you never miss an opportunity, even while you sleep. When your chosen expert makes a profit, so do you. You simply share a small percentage of your gains with them, no hidden fees. It's a fair, transparent system that aligns your success with theirs, creating a true win-win partnership. Welcome to a smarter, simpler way to trade crypto, where anyone can trade like a pro, no experience required. Not all copy trading platforms are created equal. Bitunix truly stands out from the crowd. In a world where every second counts and every decision matters, having the right platform can make all the difference. Bitunix offers you global access to a network of top-tier traders, each bringing their own unique and diverse strategies to the table. No matter where you are, you can connect with the best. Transparency is at the heart of Bitunix. You get to see detailed statistics, performance histories, and risk profiles, empowering you to make truly informed decisions about who to follow. The control always remains in your hands, thanks to flexible risk management tools that let you tailor your trading experience to your comfort level. You can easily set investment limits and stop-loss levels, ensuring your safety and giving you confidence as you trade, no matter the market conditions. The profit-sharing model means traders are motivated to help you succeed, aligning their interests with yours for a win-win partnership. Security is a top priority at Bitunix. Advanced encryption and robust cybersecurity measures protect your funds and personal data at every step. With Bitunix, you can enjoy trading with true peace of mind, knowing your assets are safe and your experience is reliable. The platform offers a wide range of financial instruments, giving you more choices and better opportunities to grow your money and diversify your portfolio. Bitunix is where opportunity meets safety, letting you pursue growth without compromising on security. Join a platform that's designed to align with your financial goals, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. With Bitunix, you experience the perfect blend of expert guidance and personal control. Your journey to smarter copy trading starts here. Copy trading on Bitunix delivers quick, tangible results. Watch your portfolio grow as traders navigate markets. Flexibility lets you switch traders anytime. Diversify by copying experts with different strategies. Imagine starting with Crypto King 77, then switching to Steady Gains Jane. Seamlessly adjust your strategy to match your comfort level. Build a diversified team of financial advisors. Spread risk and tap into multiple strategies at once. Enjoy expert guidance with ultimate authority. Your investment journey, your control. Setting up copy trading on Bitunix is incredibly simple and designed for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor. First, create your free account in just a few taps, then securely deposit your funds. Once you're set up, you can explore a wide range of elite traders, each with detailed profiles and transparent performance histories. Take your time to review their strategies, compare results, and choose the trader who best matches your goals. With a single click, you can instantly copy their trades, letting experienced professionals manage your investments while you stay in control. Your account will automatically mirror every move they make, updating in real time so you never miss an opportunity. No complicated steps or confusing processes, just sit back, relax, and watch your portfolio evolve. Participate in the dynamic crypto market with confidence, knowing you're backed by proven expertise. Join a growing community of smart investors who trust Bitunix for their trading journey. Let the experts handle the hard work, while you focus on your financial goals. Start growing your portfolio the easy way, with tools designed to maximize your potential. Welcome to a new era of effortless crypto trading, only on Bitunix.